Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. The swap feature is already live on the cySync app, and in today's video, you will learn how to swap tokens on the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. This tutorial will demonstrate swapping tokens to coins across different chains. We will swap the USDT on the Polygon network to the BNB coin on the BSC network. On the cySync sidebar, select Swap. Select the wallet and the token you want to swap. Select the wallet and the coin you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to swap. You will get the best quotes available, which include the transaction fees. Select the best offer which you like. Press continue. This is the swap summary. Confirm the operation on the X1 vault. Verify the asset and the wallet name on the X1 vault. Enter the PIN. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 vault. Verify the address of the BNB coin on the BSC network on the X1 vault. Your BNB coin on the BSC network gets added automatically to the recipient address. Sign the transaction on Polygon on the X1 vault. Verify the transaction details on the X1 vault. Enter the PIN for this wallet. Tap any one of the 4 X1 card below the X1 vault. Your transaction was successful and the swap provider has received your tokens for swap. Wait for some time for the swap to be completed. The time will vary depending upon the coin and network you are swapping. For example, Bitcoin will take more time for swap according to its network speed and the gas fees. The swap is completed and the coin has been received. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to swap crypto tokens using the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Well done!